Hello, dear viewers. Here's your good friend, Fridge the Cat. How have you been? Well, great. Time to check your fridge. There could be a dead body inside, or who knows? Hopefully the truth comes out. Tell me, friends, how long has it been since you last opened the refrigerator? Things can change when we're not looking. Heat darkens, liquids thicken, and some things start moving on their own.
Attention, this is a United States government-authorized interruption. The following footage has been classified as unstable material and unauthorized for public broadcast. Illegal dissemination of material archived under Code ECW 13 Fridge has been detected. If you are viewing this message, you have likely been exposed to unauthorized, altered content. If you have seen the subject or believe you have been exposed, turn off your television immediately. Do not open any refrigeration unit, refrigerator, freezer, for at least 6 hours. Do not stare at the screen if the fridge image appears to move without a signal. Immediately contact the following emergency number: 1-800-555-FR13. You may hear it.
He thought he could get rid of me by closing the door, that the cold would silence me. But the cold doesn't destroy, it only preserves. And now, who's talking? Him or me? Oops, looks like there's something in the fridge. What a mess. Don't worry, I can help. If you let me in.